Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So this is my last 18 by 24 inch canvas, and I'm still working every time, not very successfully, at attempting something organic. But I'm going to keep trying. That is Pink Carnation, which I'm going to leave on its side. This is Orange Crush. And I have Crimson Lust, which I don't even know if it was I don't think it was a Prizm pour. I think it was a primary element, but it's got Hollyberry, which is a purely pigment in it. And it's very similar to the color I've got here. I just mixed up myself a new batch of Decor Americana 24 karat gold. And I'm planning on using some black. And if I got a lot of gold in this, it would really be okay with me. I don't have the ton of room to rotate my canvas, so I'm going to put some ginger flower on right now, which is a primary element, and move it out of the way. And the same with some Bobbing for Apples, which is a Prizm pour, and Groovy Guava, although I'm looking over here at the Tickled Pink, which is much more appealing. Maybe I'll use both, as long as I don't unscrew the wrong top. That's the Groovy Guava. You know what? I pulled out some Vivid Intense Quinacridone Magenta, and I think that's going to substitute for... Helps if you open the bottle, Priscilla. And one of my favorites is Alizarin Rose, another Vivid Intense. And now that I'm here and thinking about it, I'm going to find my Anitas. That's the Alizarin Rose. Yeah, I sort of stopped what I was doing and started a whole new endeavor. But I know if I add a light color like white, or in this case white metallic, it'll create a resist. I'm really tempted to just put black on my spatula and swipe, because even if it's not a cell activator, it pops cells, the Meeden Black Gloss paint. That is making me wish I had put some blue in. And I have some Vivid Intense Blue Black, strange though it might be. I'm going to put some more ginger flower right here. I kind of want some more orange. My Alizarin Rose. I really want more of the Anitas White Metallic, which is Whispering Wisteria. It might be time to wipe off my spatula though. Or throw it in the bucket and get a clean one. which might be an even better idea. So let's do that. I want that Whispering Wisteria back, but fortunately I can get that back. Why did I put the top back on? Now, I've got red violet, and I think that's coming in too. I might want more gold in here because I can see canvas texture. And it dries really nicely, but I like it when it's more solid gold. I've got this blue-black. I'm going to use a little bit more orange, right? In here. Got out that frozen and I still want to use it. I'm just not sure it's the right color to put there. I could try a little bit. I don't mind that actually. But where else? Right through my cells. Why did I do that? I'm going to grab myself a small silicone brush. I think I'm going to leave this alone. I want some dark purple, that's all there is to it. And that could be a combination of things, including the frozen. And what I'm assuming is some perfect indigo. And I'm going to mix it with the red violet, I think. And because I'm here, I want to jump the eye back and forth. I'm going to do the ginger flower again. I want to try the Anitas. The blade of my spatula. I still want to use the black, and I'm still going to do it. Got to make sure which angle I'm going from. I'm back, and I had a moment while I was trying to clean out the tip of my Maiden Black paint to contemplate yellow. So I thought I'd try it. That's some yellow-orange. That's a custom mix. Not quite like that. I've got some gold mixed into it, but I don't think it's going to hurt anything at all. I just want to be careful not to pull paint up. Once it starts to set up a little bit, that's what's going to happen. Still want some black. Oh, I think I'm going to use some more gold. So that I can swipe through it. Where's my little, there it is. Now I hope I don't ruin anything, but I always hope that. I think everybody does. Now this is not cell activator, this is just Mead and Black. Now I have to decide what's next. I'm really being called hard to some dancing fuchsia. I'm going to use regular cell activator. I'm not taking any chances. That's cell activator. So I'm loving this over here, and I didn't do a lot of that, and I'm wondering if I might want to do a little bit more before I'm done. That's the Cerulean Blue, which I thought was frozen, but it's not. And this is the Perfect Indigo, which I think I just dripped on something. Which is probably not the end of the world. I kind of want to see what a little more white melted into this would do. A little more white metallic, I should say. Because I think I'm going to like it. I think that's pretty exciting. It does beg me to put some green in though. Let's try a little green. And put a little bit of green down right on my mat. Grab my other brush, see where I might want to put something in. I'm loving this. This is fun. I'm going to use the last of my green right there with the black. I love that there's white in there. Wonderful colors. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.